Hey Bold Baes, welcome back to my channel. I'm Holly, as you know, or if you don't know, then that must mean you're new around here. If so, welcome to my channel. I hope you like it here. Okay, so this is kind of part 2, right? Because I told you last week when I did my winter makeup capsule, hopefully you watched that video. If not, maybe pause this and go watch that one first. So this is part 2 where I actually show you a winter look using the stuff from my winter makeup capsule. So obviously this is the look. Okay, don't look too hard, okay? It's gonna be a surprise, just kidding. But considering the process that you will see, this look actually turned out pretty good, if I do say so myself. So I hope you enjoy the tutorial because it's something else. And if you have any questions for me, go ahead and leave them in the comments, or you can email me. My email is down there. And of course, as always, the products I'm gonna be using are all Seint Beauty, formerly Mascara Beauty. And there's also a link down there to shop everything I show in the video. Okay, so with that being said, let's get on with this. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the eye makeup first. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I haven't tried this specific look before. I just picked out the colors. I thought that they would go good together, and I didn't experiment first. That probably would have been a smart idea. But, I mean, it might be entertaining for you this way. So, we're all just gonna learn together, okay? And I'm just gonna kind of wing it as I go, apparently. That's how it's gonna happen. So, I still think it's gonna turn out okay. These colors go pretty good together, so we're just gonna see. But, before we start, I don't use an eyeshadow primer. I mean, I have nothing against eyeshadow primers. I just don't like buying extra products that I feel like I don't totally need. So instead, I just use my foundation color, this white peach, and I just dab that on first. And that is gonna be my kind of base primer. And I also love doing this because I feel like it covers up any like darkness or like discoloration on my eyes. It just makes everything nice and even to start with. So I just feel like the colors go on better, and just overall it just ends up looking better. Okay, and then I waited just a minute or two to let it kind of set in, and now we're gonna go in with our first color. So we're gonna start off with Rome, and I'm using a different eyeshadow brush. I know, I feel like I'm kind of cheating on my girl. She was the eyeshadow everything brush. She's been renamed now to just the eyeshadow brush. She is my fave, but this one is, I don't know, it's good too, and I just need to use it more. So we're just gonna put Rome on my lid just as kind of that base first color. Okay, second color, we're gonna go in with Basic now. It's right there. And this is a good medium transition color. I'm gonna try really hard to make you think I know what I'm doing, but honestly, I haven't tried this look yet. So your guess is as good as mine if this is actually gonna turn out and look at all what I think it might look in my head. I think it'll be fine because the colors seem to look good together in the compact, so what more do you need? Still using the same brush, but the other side now. And we're gonna focus on the corner into the crease. Okay, so that's basically it. So we're gonna magically skip to the future where this side is done. Okay, so third color now, but this is the part where you super minimalist simple girls, which I'm not meaning that in a bad way, you can go ahead and stop right here, add some mascara if you just want a super natural, simple look, because it's still really pretty. But we're gonna keep moving on. So our third color we're gonna use is You Complete Me. And I feel like, I haven't checked on this, but I feel like this eyeshadow has been in like my last like 3 capsules, so I must really like it. It is just really pretty. I just love that it's not quite a pink, it's not quite a brown, it's just that good in between, and it's just a really pretty shimmer. And yeah, so we're gonna go in with that one. And I'm switching back to our beloved eyeshadow brush because I was missing her. You just can't beat this fluffy side, I'm telling you. Okay, so going in, we're gonna go kind of light at first because you can get out of control with You Complete Me. She's kind of like the clingy girlfriend a little bit. All right, let's do this. Okay, I'm gonna go to this little end now and put a little bit under my eye. I've seen it, okay, and it looks cool and pretty, so we're gonna try it. Probably gonna regret it. Getting some fallout. It's cool. That's why we do eyes first, right? Clean that up later. Okay, I think I'm gonna stop there. Full well knowing I'm probably gonna add more later and fix some things, but I think it's a good starting point. So I'm gonna do the other eye now, and then we'll move on to our last color. Okay, hang in there with me. I know it looks maybe not that great right now, but we're gonna add some mascara at brows and it's just gonna come together, okay? Let's just have hope. Okay, so last color, I think, I don't know, is Gold Digger. It's that pretty one. I've never used this one before, ever. So I'm excited. If you also have not tried Gold Digger like me, and you have tried Bright Eyes and you like Bright Eyes, I feel like it's very similar to Bright Eyes. It's just more golden and not like brown coppery. Like I feel like Bright Eyes is like more of a brown kind of gold. And this one's more of a true gold. All right, so we're gonna put this mostly in the center. Ooh. Oh. The question is, how much do I add? Probably stop there. Yeah, probably just gonna stop there for now. Okay, I didn't plan on this, but like I said, we're winging this whole thing right now. So I'm gonna add a little bit of bird just to kind of help deepen the color a little bit, because I want it to be a tiny bit more smoky kind of looking. And I'm gonna throw some of that under my eye as well. All right, I also just added some mascara, and oh my gosh, I feel like it already is making it come together way more. I feel like mascara is what mascara is to the eyes what blush is to the face. It just like brings it all together, just like adds that little like extra something, you know? But I have to say, I am liking where the eyes are going so far, but we are gonna move on for a little bit. I'm gonna come back to them later, I think, and add a little bit more. But we're gonna do the brows now, and I'm gonna go in with Bird for that, and I'm using the brow brush. And yeah, we're just gonna do this. And yes, this is when I turn on the extremely serious face, so don't be frightened. But I mean, would it not be creepy if I was like smiling the whole time doing the brows? Let's see. So the reason I'm not like talking through the brows is because I think I want to do a whole brow video. Would you guys like that? First of all, because I've never done a strictly brow video. And then secondly, I don't know if that's the right way to say that. The second reason is because Seint Beauty, it just came out with a new brow wax. So I have been really wanting to try that out and like show you guys what I think of it and whatnot. So I think maybe I will do that next video. Okay, brows are done. Couldn't help myself. So now moving on to the face, which is my favorite part just because it never gets old. I just love the magic of Seint makeup. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my main shade, which is White Peach. We're gonna use that one to brighten with, it's Moonlit. And I'm going in with the blush bronzer brush. I just love this end, it just makes it, I love this end because I feel like it applies it super even, but like lightweight. Because I know a lot of us, especially wearing masks all the time, a lot of us are just kind of wearing really light, quick makeup. And so this is a good brush for that. And it's very versatile because you can do bronzer with it, blush, all the things. I'm gonna stop talking. Okay, just kind of dabbing it in like that. Just gonna put this on. Okay, so I purposely did half face to start because I think it's kind of fun. Just interesting to see. But also for science, because I want you to see the difference in light coverage and just how it looks. And I don't have a ton of redness, just a little bit on my cheeks and kind of my nose. But as you can see, gone. So I just love that. So anyway, let's keep going. Okay, next up on our makeup look is contour. So same brush, I'm just gonna pinch it and just kind of swipe it. Let me show you. Swipe it in my contour. This is Ash. Woo. Do not want that color yet. And I'm just gonna put that right under my cheekbones and top of my forehead. And then just make sure to blur those lines, blend it out. Okay, and then we're gonna do some bronzer and then blush and lip. So that other side, the big fluffy side now, I told you this brush is amazing, it does it all. Going super light, but that went on so much darker than I thought. Okay, so here's the deal. This is a new tin. My other one I've had for like several months already, and so I just think this is coming out way new and pigmented than I was imagining. So again, go really light and it'll be fine. Oh my god. Okay, we're just gonna try and pat this all over and we're gonna save this. It's gonna be fine. So right now I am just vigorously wiping my brush on my arm right now to get rid of this excess. Holy sh— I did not dip it in that much. Man, we're gonna salvage this. It's gonna be fine. Okay, just blend. It's fine. Look at that. It's working out. Okay, crisis averted. That was actually kind of terrifying because I was like, if I can't blend this out, I'm gonna have to like start a few steps back. That was gonna suck. Okay, I do need to put a little bit on my neck, so it's okay. Just barely tap. Okay. The reason I do this because I feel like once I have makeup on, my neck just still looks super white, and so I like to just add kind of a little homemade self-tanner to it. This is reminding me of that video I did, the dollar store makeup look. I did not even put that much on. Oh my gosh. Okay, so if you get a brand new tin of Bella, be very careful. Oh my gosh. Okay, once again, no, blend it out. It was fine. Okay, so scary at first, worth it in the end. I just got a warm glow going on, got my own self-tanner, and I'm like, it's just as scary as when you do self-tanner, right? So same thing. Okay, so we're gonna move on to blush. No, I'm gonna do my brightener real quick because I like doing my brightener and then my blush. Okay, so that Moonlit, nothing can go wrong with this. So I like to just use my finger and just dab that under my eye and just brighten things up. Especially after that bronzer, we might need it. Okay, now we're gonna do blush. I'm gonna go in with Sadie. Sadie is just super natural and just pretty. Okay, now it's lippy time. And I've got two choices here, which usually my capsules I have three, but I omitted one for the bronzer because obviously that was a good choice. Okay, but this look is coming together and I'm so happy about it. So the lip is just gonna add to that. I'm gonna do Sadie, I think though. I do love Scarlett, she's so pretty, but I think with this eye look we've got, Sadie is just gonna look the best with it. So I love Sadie because it's just a natural kind of nude with just a little bit of gloss to it. Okay, now that I have it on, I actually feel like I do want to add some scarlet. Is that crazy? Actually, no, wait, maybe I will add, maybe I'll add some of my contour. What do you guys think about that? Is that crazy? Tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm going to add some lip liner with my contour. That seems fun. So I'm gonna use this multitasker brush. I don't know. I don't hate it. I don't know if I love it. I do feel like I just need something else on the lips though. We're just gonna do it. I'm just gonna try contour. I know it sounds crazy. No. I think it looks kind of cool. It kind of turned it like just to a straight like mauve kind of nude. Maybe mauve's not the right term. I think I like it. I think I'm gonna leave it. What do you guys think? I keep asking like as if you can respond. You can respond in the comments, you should. Tell me, is this crazy or not? Okay, last step, hopefully, a little bit of illuminator. And I normally don't wear it, but we're doing like a fun holiday look. So we're just gonna do it. So this is Starlet. She's in our palette here. We're just gonna throw that on the little cheeky bones here. What the? Where did that red mark come from? Okay, confession. You're probably like, why do her cheeks look a little bit different since the last frame? It's because I thought they could use a tiny bit more color, so I did add a tiny bit of scarlet to them. And I don't know if I'm loving it. I might regret it, but it happened. I did it. Anyway, back to the illuminator. I'm even gonna put a little bit of that on my eyes. I know. We're just gonna try it and see. Holy balls, I like it. That just added a super pretty little oomph, okay? So I'm gonna add a little bit more of You Complete Me and then we really will be done, I promise. Okay, bold babes, it's done. I don't know about you, but I am impressed with how this turned out. It's not that I was like not having faith in myself. I don't know. Like I said, I just haven't done this like combo and this look together. So I just wasn't sure if it was gonna turn out, but I feel like it did. Maybe it's just me, but let me know in the comments if you like how it turned out, because I think it's really pretty. So again, this was a part 2 kind of for my last video where I showed my winter makeup capsule, which was this. So this whole look was from this one compact, my capsule for wintertime, and it was really fun to implement some of the colors and show you just one of the many looks you can do with these colors. So if you want to see all the details of what's in the capsule, including brushes and all those other things, go check out that video. And if you have questions about this makeup, you know the drill. My email is down below. You can email me, or I have this really awesome makeup routine quiz that you can take that will get all your perfect shades matched and any other recommendations like brushes, skincare, everything that you need for a perfect makeup routine. Going to be in there. So go take that quiz and we'll get you started with Seint Beauty. Or if you already know what shades you want to get or you just want to shop on your own, the link to shop is also down there. And I would love to be your artist. And with all that being said, thank you guys so much for being here and for watching today's video. If you like my videos and you want to keep seeing them in the future, then you should probably subscribe. You can do it super easy right now by clicking on my face, or if you want to watch more videos, check out that one. And until next time,